हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल जीरो चार्ज। मेरा नाम है अंकित एंड आज की वीडियो में हम एक ऐसा प्रोफेशनल स्क्रबर देखेंगे जिससे घर को डीप क्लीन करना जो है वो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा। जिस प्रोडक्ट की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ वो है अगारो का ये इलेक्ट्रिक स्क्रबर। तो चलिए इस इलेक्ट्रिक स्क्रबर को अनबॉक्स करते हैं, रिव्यू करते हैं, देखते हैं ये डीप क्लीनिंग जो है वो कैसी करता है। Alright, so these are all the accessories that we get along with the electric scrubber. First one is the corner brush. This is used for cleaning corners of bathroom, kitchen, etc. Second one is small flat brush. It is used for cleaning wash basin, kitchen sinks, furniture, etc. Third is fiber brush. It is used to clean kitchen areas which are difficult. This brush is used for polishing and waxing your car. This is microfiber cloth which is used for cleaning tiles and soaking water. One charging cable. One sponge brush for cleaning your cars and windows, one bathroom cleaning brush, two connecting rods, one disc pad, हम इसे थोड़ी देर में चेक करेंगे, and finally the main unit which is electric scrubber. So this is the brush head and there is a velcro on top of it. Simply I will stick it and ये जो है वो install हो जाएगा and simply I can remove it. Similarly I can install the microfiber cloth and this is installed as well. Polish and the scrub as well. So all these four accessories will be installed on this brush head and then this brush head will be installed on the scrubber. So this is installed. So simply I will press this power button and this is high speed. If I press it again, this is low speed. And once again if I press it, it will be turned off. Similarly you can install other accessories. So this is installed. So this is installed as well. You can also connect these rods with the electric scrubber. Simply I will rotate it and it will be installed. On the other end I will install the electric scrubber. I can further extend this rod and the rod is extended. You also get an attachment which you can stick to the wall. Simply you can press it and it will be locked on the wall and then you can easily remove it as well. On top of this electric scrubber you can see a battery indicator. If I turn it on, you will see all the lights coming. It takes 3 to 4 hours for complete charging and it can last up to 90 minutes, which is fantastic. Alright, so this is how you can connect the charger. So right now you can see that it is charging. Alright, so let's start by cleaning the floor. मैं थोड़ा सा पानी डाल लेता हूँ. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ग्राउटिंग जो है वो कितनी गंदी हो गई है. Now I will add some soap and now with the help of corner cleaner मैं टाइल को जो है वो क्लीन कर लूँगा. आप देख सकते हैं टाइल जो है वो क्लीन हो रही है. I can also use large brush for cleaning. It is working really well. Alright, so cleaning is done. Now let's mop it with the help of a microfiber cloth. So you can see that how easy it is to clean. You can see how the tile looks now and the grout area is absolutely clean and the tile has got a shine now. So this is how the wash basin looks. I will use this small brush for cleaning. First I will spray some soap. Alright, so let's start with the cleaning. Alright, so now let's rinse this wash basin. You can see that wash basin looks absolutely brand new. Now let's clean the tap with the help of this pointed brush. So this can clean the corners as well. So this is how the tap looks now. You can also clean wash basin bottom with the help of this corner brush. And wash basin bottom is cleaned. Alright, so let's try cleaning the bathroom tile. You can see that how dirty it is. So I will use this tile brush. So this is how the tile looks right now. It is absolutely clean. You can also clean your kitchen sink easily. You can see that sink is clean and shining now. With the help of the scrubber, you can easily clean the kitchen countertop. You can see that how easy it is. Now I will simply wipe this, and the counter is beautifully cleaned. You can also polish your car or furniture with the help of this accessory. I will spray a little bit of polish on the table. You can see that how shiny the table is now. You can also clean your car and glass with the help of sponge accessory. And the glass is finally cleaned. You can wash all these accessories with mild soap, dry it and use it again. आई होप आप लोग को आज का वीडियो अगारो का फैंटास्टिक इलेक्ट्रिक स्क्रबर जो है वो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया होगा, लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं। With that note, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching Zero Charge. जय हिंद।